Hey guys, I would film in my office, but as you can see, the door's closed. I don't know if you can hear the fan or not. I just bleach mopped the floors and they gotta dry real quick. My friend's on her way for the photo shoot, and she's got a baby in the belly, so we gotta make sure that bleach is nice and dry before she gets here. Anyway, so I got a knock at the door and I thought it was her, but it was another great surprise. Auntie Trudy sent me some more from, I think this might be the last of it. I cut them all the tape so I could open it very easy for you and just get right in here, because obviously it's going to be a little busy. Sorry if the lighting's a little off today. Obviously we are not underneath all of the wonderful lights. I had to set my drink in the tape so it wouldn't get dropped. Oh, wow. This is all the Christmas stuff she said she was gonna send me. Thank you, Trudy. Oh, I'm loving these vintage pieces. These are gorgeous. I don't know if they're like individual type papers or what, but wow. I mean, look at those. They're gonna be so much fun to play with. We got some more paper here. And it's double-sided. See, oh, I love this paper. It's so pretty. Now, I couldn't tell you if it's all the same, but looking at the print right here, it looks like it is all the same. So, that'll last me a while for quite a few different projects. It is so pretty. I'm in love. Oh, wow. She got me a lot of this one. Oh, yes. It's going to be so much fun to play with. Oh, and look at these. Graphic 45. I've been wanting to play with Graphic 45. Sorry, this flap is driving me insane. Oh, I'm going to have so much. Oh, and these are going to fit my vintage journals. My sewing ones that I'm going to have coming out soon. Ooh, and these, they're like the cardboard style. Yes, thank you so. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have so much fun with these. I don't even, and yeah, they're all different. So, if you guys want photos, let me know. I'll try and take some and drop them in on Instagram. Oh wow, I haven't played with any of this stuff either. It's looks like some of the foil is coming off. That's stinky, but I don't know if it's like residual from the packing and cutting the paper, or if it's just coming off, but it's gonna be something that's really, really fun to play with. And I love the mermaid fins. I'm gonna have some fun with that. Ooh, what's this? It's a big, huge, gorgeous cling stamp. I was actually looking at some videos on Insta the other day for using stamps and the oxide inks to make some really pretty tags, so I'm gonna have to play with that one now. Ooh. Again, I don't know if this is all the same. That is just, it's gorgeous. It's a nice stack. Ooh, and this one's so pretty too. I'm kind of in love with that. I want a sheet of this for my Paris one. And it's looking from the design on the edge here. You can, I don't know, it won't zoom. Sorry about that. But it's looking from the design to me like they're all pretty much the same. So, that was what I got. Some more Happy Mail. Thank you again, Trudy. Let's make sure this is from Trudy before I get myself in trouble. I'm just gonna assume that it came from Trudy. I seen a Joann's receipt here somewhere. Let's see here. From Grand Rapids. Not. Oh, okay. That's where it's from. And it's officially from. Da 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 da. Sold to. Well, it says it was sold to me. It's kind of funny. Well, it honestly doesn't say on the paperwork. Huh. Interesting. Alrighty. Well, I guess. I will never know. Alright, I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon. But Aunt Trudy did say she'd get me some Christmas stuff, so I'm assuming that's what it was. And she's been sending me some stuff from Joann's anyway, so. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. I am going to go hopefully do a photo shoot. She's supposed to be here any minute. Bye!